Today I'll be doing a review on Rhino Ramp Max. It says 16,000 pounds, rated for vehicles up to 16,000 pounds gross vehicle weight. However, it is little deceiving. So it says it's ideal for trucks. So I'm just going to remove this label and show it to you all the other parts as well. So this 16,000 is, I'm not sure exactly how they're calculating the 16,000 pounds. So here's a close-up. So it says 16,000 pounds, rated for vehicles up to 16,000 pounds gross vehicle weight. It says over here, ideal for trucks. But there's another label that is a little bit confusing. So good product. It's a good product. It says made in USA. So let's take a look at the other labels. Here's what the unit look like. So we are going to take a look at in detail. Looks very sturdy. So here is the question part. I am not sure how well, so I'm just going to read this part. It says rated capacity of 4,000 pounds each / 18,000 pounds per pair, then 16,000 gross vehicle weight. I am not sure. So if it is saying rated capacity of 4,000 pounds each, then 8,000 pounds per pair, I assume, because it's a 4,000 pounds each, must be per axle. That must be the way they are counting on this one. Other than that, I could not see anything else. So let's take a look at this in detail. So it says Rhino Ramps over here, solid construction. So just doing a rough measuring. So it's about 7 inches. So this will rise to about 7 inches, and inside is just over 10 inches is the inside tire width. So it did say do not use anything over 9.5 inches. So let's put this one to use. I have a couple of vehicles, so we'll try a car and then a SUV. Here is a 1980 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL. So it's 3,600 pounds, this car. I'm also using an old-fashioned creeper, and if I were to calculate the distance between the number plate and the floor, I have just about 13 inches. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to get this car up on the ramp. I have so whenever you are using with ramp, I forgot the technical name for this one, but this is to make sure that the vehicle doesn't move back. So you had to put these ones to prevent the vehicle moving for safety issues. So I'm doing this demonstration on my driveway. It is at an incline, so car can roll backward. I have to make sure that it's safe. Let me try this one and show it to you how many inches it's going to go up. I set my ramps properly lined, and let's try this one. It would be nice to have one more person, at least at the beginning stages, just to guide you. But this is a one-man show. Let's try. car is secured. So let's go to the other side. Here we go. Oh, may not able to see properly. Let's go to the other side where there is more light. Okay, here we go. So it's secured, and I also put the preventers. I forgot the name of this technical word. There is a technical name for this one. So let's go back to the front and see what we can do. Now we are going to try this SUV. It's a 2007 Acura MDX, 5,000 pounds. As you can see, not much of clearance. Let's see what happens when I get this on the ramp. As you can see, there's pretty good clearance now, so let's go around and see how well this has fit. So here we go, the front wheel. Keep in mind, I'm also using, on this particular one, it's the tire is 225/60/18, so you can gauge the size of the tire. So if whatever the tires, so by using this size, you can figure out whether this ramp will fit your vehicle or not. So it looks like it's got pretty good clearance now. Let's put the creeper. So let's put the creeper and see. I'm going to go face head like this way. There is barely enough room, but I'm sure if I go other way around I might be able to get there, but at least there's enough room to go and take a look around. I know you will comment you are going the wrong way, but I did not feel like putting the head underneath there right now, but there's enough room. So there it is. So this is a 5,000 pound vehicle, and earlier it was a 3,600 pound vehicle. So there it is working. I am happy, and if you are planning to do your oil change by yourself, you may want to get something like this. I have few vehicles, so oil changes are going to add up, especially with these old vehicles, old classics that I use. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. There are lot more videos to come.